2128 North 89th, dates June 14th, 2022. I'm making this recording from the clean out under the deck on the back side of the home here. Looking at Seattle City, Maine, flowing by out on 89th. We're going to pull back from this point and get a look at the line. 6-inch diameter concrete sewer line. We come back from the road towards the property line now. Most of these mains run in the middle of the road. I did not look at where this one was, but I'm assuming that's the case. So off property, 6-inch diameter concrete. We come up from a steep drop here where this 6-inch diameter concrete line is dropping down. And we may be back in 4-inch now. This is the 4-inch by 6-inch diameter transition point. So we zero out our footage here. Yeah. Let's see for sure if that was 6-inch or 4-inch. This is definitely 4-inch. This may be the 4-inch by 6-inch shift. Looks more like it. So yeah, now we're back coming into 4-inch diameter pipe here. This looks like it was all 6. Zero out our footage again. Coming back now on property. There is a tie-in connection, looks like PVC stubbed through on the left side of the line there. There is another connection point on the left side of the pipe there. Another connection point there. I'm actually going to go locate these two spots. Pausing the video to locate. Okay, continuing the recording. That's about 2.5 feet deep. There around the corner of the house. Come back a couple feet. There's another connection point on the left. And then we come back to this turn, and this turn is starting to fail. See, the pipe is sagged, dropped significantly there. So coming back from there, we're on this last home stretch along the back of the house. And back up into the PVC here associated with this newly installed cleanout. And up out of the pipe there. And that is the cleanout we're making this recording from. I am going to end the video there.